Right, so I apologise if the sun's in your eyes. I hope it's not too bad. This is only going to be a short little part of the video. I'm going on a really small ride at the moment. You know, it's Friday afternoon. I haven't been out on the bike in a couple of days and I just really wanted to get out. Oh man, that is bright. Just taking a nice and quick ride around the neighbourhood before I have to go out later tonight. And I guess I'll kind of use this to explain what I'm actually doing. So I'm going into the city with my parents and my girlfriend, and we're going to a really nice restaurant. Nice bike. And in the city tonight, and I believe last night and tomorrow night as well, there's this drone show that's going on. So there'll be heaps of drones up in the sky, I'm assuming with lots of lights rigged to them. And don't quote me on this because I haven't done too much research into it, but I believe it's got something to do with the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people of Australia. So that'll be good. It'll be a good night out. We'll have a nice meal. And then we're heading to that after the meal, I believe. And it goes till about 8 PM or so. So it'll be a decent little night out. And a good way to celebrate the end of the working week. So I'm not planning on this being my only ride for this weekend. I'm definitely heading out on maybe tomorrow, Saturday or Sunday, we'll see. It'll definitely be at least Sunday, so I'll be recording that. I hope that's not a cop behind me. I'm going to be very inconspicuous here and spin around. I love this road so much. It's got some really nice sweeping turns through here. It's great. Alright, so unless something really interesting happens, then I'll probably call this the end of this section of the video. So yeah, just sit back and enjoy. Massive protest going on. I don't know what for. That's intense. We've almost finally made it. It's crazy tonight. There's people directing traffic. There's police everywhere. But this is where we're eating. Right, so we just finished our dinner at Phat Boy, just up the escalator there, and it was so good and we're so full. And it's about a 10-minute walk now. We're heading to the place where the drone show is on. So I'll meet you guys back when we're there.
So what did you get? What were they? Chocolate and what else? Banana,
walnut, chocolate syrup.
Yum.
Man, look at that.
And we got macadamia and
Macadamia
maple syrup as well.
Wow.
Buttermilk pancakes.
Yum. They look good. I think we're all in agreement that we feel sick and we shouldn't have had those pancakes. But they were pretty amazing. They were so good. I want to go to bed.